Alright, here's one of those little cool little MacGyver, you know, pretty much car hack tricks type deal, and seatbelt. Whenever you get in one of those tight fits for trying to get your engine out and you really can't get a chain in there, some engines nowadays don't really have the lifting hooks on there, so one of the things you can use that is amazing is an old seatbelt. Literally, you can pick it up from any kind of salvage yard, or if you got an old car you're getting ready to take to the junkyard or something like that. Just literally a seatbelt strap. This one right here, we tied it around the exhaust manifolds, and time to go ahead and hook up the engine lift to it, and I'll show you how cool this is. It's literally just, it's so much easier sometimes than just a chain. Finding the bolt to do it. Just use a half-inch little knot on there, and away you go. So let's get in here and I'll show you how great it actually is. It's one of those neat little car hacks right here. Seatbelt works perfect. Do it all the time. All right, the engine's pretty much out, so a little bit more jacking to do. Everything is free. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that little car hack. Cody MacGyver, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.